In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and update Java on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. The first thing we're going to do is open up a web browser. So you just want to go ahead into Google and search for Java. Go ahead and hit enter. When best results should be java.com. Go ahead and open that up. And then select Java Download. And then you want to select the Agree and Start Free Download button. And once it's done downloading, go ahead and open up the setup file to run it and select yes. Yeah, you can close out the web browser. Select install. And once it's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that should be as simple as that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.